about to happen. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? We lean on you, Jesus. Hey, hey. Oh, my Jesus. Oh, yeah. Give him a clap offering. That will break the chains. That will break the chain. Hey. This is all for you, Jesus. Do you see how we love you? We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. You gotta have some attitude. You gotta add the attitude. Who has the final say? In your neighbor's face. What do you think about Jehovah? Hey, look at your situation. Say, who has the final say? Your situation, you need. My situation. Who has the final say? You there. Come on. Bless somebody. 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 Bless yourself. Bless yourself. Bless yourself. You deserve it. Bless yourself. Bless yourself. Bless yourself. Hey, 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 hey.
I'm going to teach you something right now. You know that the water man. Come on. Epakamunyama. 1. Epakamunyama. 2. Epakamunyama. 3. 4. Epakamunyama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alema. Again. Yendoli. Yendoli. Go. Yendoli. Everybody draw.
Holy to the God that made me whole. Help me say, yeah. When I don't have the words to worship Him, I will sing. Yeah.
I'm so happy, even if it was just for one soul. Hallelujah. Somebody shout for God.
Thank you.
Yeah, keep all those hands up.
The place of worship, and we thank you for your presence tonight. Thank you for the touch of your grace.
It will be written in the archive of Kran Kashima.
We need to pray.